Hi everybody, I'm Carolyn Gracie, and it's official gifting season here at the Q. We have things for everybody on your list. Awesome things for your family, for your kids, for your friends, even your pets. The weekly unbox is all about things for your pets, and I've seen none of these items, and I'm super excited because I'm all about my four-legged kiddos. So I want to open the big box first. Let's just see what's inside this one under all this paper. Oh, I'm seeing something soft and furry, and oh my gosh, you guys don't even know this, but this is totally on my wish list for my pets. It's a cozy bed for your cats. So look what happens. They get inside this donut and get all totally snuggly. And I didn't even know we had this here. Isn't this great? My cats will be fighting over this. I might have to get more than one. All right, so let's see what's next. Sometimes awesome things come in small boxes too. So let's just see what's inside this one. This is so much fun, isn't it? Are you guys kidding me? Somebody knows my dogs are Steelers fans. And I'm sure we have these collars and all of the other NFL teams as well. Wait, but that's not all. There's something else in here. No way! A doggy football jersey. I love it. Oh my gosh. Again, I'm gonna have to be getting multiples of these because I have enough dogs to make an entire football team at my house. I'm sure we have these in all kinds of sizes for your pups. That's awesome. So collars and shirts. Okay, next, let's see what's inside box number 3. Uh-oh. There's several things in here. My husband must have wrapped this one. It's perfectly wrapped. Uh-oh. No way. Is this a hat in buffalo check with Sherpa for my dog? I think so. Wait, there's something else in here to match, I bet. No way, this is so cute. And here's the matching coat. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look how adorable. This is adorable. So I have a little white dog named Monty, who you've probably seen pictures of, who would look absolutely adorable in this. His younger sister Maisie would probably think she was an absolute princess and have to go on a walk by herself. Luckily, we have these in other sizes as well. How cute! Okay, a 2-piece set for your pups. Ready for all those wintertime walks when they need to be a little extra cozy. Now we've saved the smallest box for last. So let's see, I bet there's something extra special inside here. It's sparkly. It's animal print. It's a fabulous collar for your little furries. Oh my gosh, is that gorgeous? And actually, I will tell you, I've heard about this. I didn't know we had this yet either, but this has an official Swarovski crystal, the world's finest crystal, on the inside, because everybody's puppy dog deserves the absolute best sparkle. And again, that is gorgeous. Look, the little bow tie in the center, so cute. And again, available in sizes for all those pups on your list. So don't forget, you can pick up wonderful things for the holidays for all of your friends and family, including those furries and even yourself, from our holiday gift guide.